Then laugh like this. Shraddhavan labhate jnanam. Alpaharam jirnavastram. What is the meaning of in Shwana Nidra? Come on, what is your good name, Miss World? Since so many minutes you are not looking to my face, I am very sorry. Am I not looking good? I don't have a good face. Come on, Sundari, what happens? Please look to my face. Alpaharam Jirnavastram Shwana Nidra Dagadhyanam.
వినాయక్ గారు కూడా చాలా స్కూల్స్ తిరుగుతూ ఉంటారు. పిల్లలు ఎట్లా శ్రద్ధ ఇవ్వాలా, ఎట్లా అటెన్షన్లో ఉండాలా స్వామీజీ కూడా చెప్తారు.
In this time, I don't know your language and you don't know my language. But what shall we do? All of you are aware of me. I am from? I am from Kerala. What is my mother tongue? Tamil. Tamil is from Tamil Nadu. I am from Kerala. Shall I speak in Malayalam? Yes. Agreed? Yes. How to understand these things? Your good name, please. Yes, I like you very much. Because you are because of his huge weight, he is not able to sit properly. So what he did? He wants support of that ball. Is it so? No. Shall I believe all of you have the backbone? Yes. Then you can sit properly. Those who don't have the backbone, please sit like this. Agreed? Another one question. You like to become a lion or a donkey? Lion. Come on. Then lion means how you have to sit. Like a lion. Like this. Agreed? Not like that. You are human beings. Then laugh like this. Arey, you don't know how to laugh. Very, very bad. Please once more. So hereafter there will be no murmuring. Agreed? No. Agreed? Yes, sir. Yeah. You are all students. Yes. Agreed? Yes, sir. Then what is the sign of the students? Lakshanam. Shall I tell you? Yes. Come on, tell me. Shraddhavan labhate jnanam. You understand the meaning? You are all working for to attain jnanam, wisdom. To attain wisdom, what is required? To eat there should be a plate or a leaf, and a washed hand and a mouth, and a stomach with hungry. Without hungry we cannot eat. So you are all students, you are trying to attain wisdom. That is jnanam. Tell me. Jnanam. So Shraddhavan. Come on. Labhate jnanam. Those who are listening properly, only they can attain the mark above 100 out of 100. Agreed? Labhate jnanam. Labhate. To get knowledge, we must be Shraddhalu. What is Shraddhalu? Listen, concentration. We must listen properly. Agreed? So let us come to the point. So another one thing, Alpaharam. What is the meaning? Aharam. How many idlis you can take? How many idli? 5. Full. No. Again 2 more. 6. See, being the students, if you are able to take 6 idlis, in Alpahara you take only 5. Because If you fill the stomach maximum, what will happen? You will start calling others by closing the eye, while studying or while sitting in the class. What will do? The laziness will conquer you. Then what happens? You cannot be alert. So being a student should not take 100% fully the stomach. Take only 75%. That is alpaharam. Understand? You take more means you will be sleepy, lazy. You cannot listen the class. Agreed? Agreed. Yeah, it doesn't mean that you don't take a meal. Take, but not the maximum. Okay. Alpaharam jirnavastram. What is the meaning of jirnavastram? Means not costly dress. The time of education or being the student, if you have a very costly dress, always you will be looking your dress, listening the others are listening me or not, I am having this much rich dress. So your attention will divert to the dress. Agreed? Agreed? So have the minimum facilities by the time of being the students. Students are so-called brahmacharis. Okay. Alpaharam jirnavastram swana nidra. Come on, what is? What is swanan? Dog, dog. Dog. Telugu illi, no? Ukka. Ukka. Not nai. 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 Acha, in our state, so, hookah. Okay. So, swana nidra. Suppose one dog is sleeping here. We will be coming. One dog is sleeping there. So, how much you will be careful, even then the dog will understand when mine is coming. Even though he is sleeping. Understand? So, the time of student's life, you have no right to sleep dead sleep. Understand? Always you will be eagerness. You have that sense. I am a student. I have to attain lot of knowledge. What is your good name? Miss World. What happened? What is your good name? Huh? Since so many minutes you are not looking to my face, I am very sorry. Am I not good am I not looking good? I don't have a good face. Come on, Sundari, what happens? Please look to my face. Otherwise I will stop immediately. Agreed? Agreed? No. So, alpaharam jirnavastram swana nidra. Like dog sleep. He will be sleeping, but a man comes, immediately he will listen. Agreed? So you must be cautious always from where, how to attain knowledge. Agreed? Then another one is Bhagat Dhyanam. What is Bhagam? You know. Sir, there will be a crow like white crow. It will be sitting in the paddy field. Konga. You know Konga? In Kerala we say kokka. See, it will be in meditation, in one leg. So, if suppose a small fish or something comes. Agree, you understand? So, please tell me, alpaharam, jirnavastram, swana nidra, bhagat dhyanam. What is your good name? You have to say about my face. Am I look ugly? Not looking fair. हम तो सुंदर नहीं है. बताइए. See what happens. It is a very big problem for us. What happened? We were in what we say, how we are studying net, through net. Is it not so? Arey, what happens? One man is sitting like this. What does it mean? He is having stomach pain. You have stomach pain. Then why you are doing like this? Be straight. So we were studying in online. So we have to come back in this normal studies. Is it not so? Can you understand me? Or shall I stop it? Then you have to listen me. So I will tell you a beautiful story. You like to hear story? There was a student so called Aruni. What was his name? Aruni. His guru's name was Uddalakan. You might have heard about that. See, in good old days in our nation, India or Bharat, classes where it was not like this. Students were staying with the guru itself. And early morning they have to do their work. Somebody will go to manage the cattle. Somebody have to collect some firewood. So many works will be there. And afternoon, everybody will get together and they will have their food and they will sit there, and then Guru comes, he will explain about the particular subject. Understand? What was the name of the method of the study? Gurukula Vidyabhyasam. Come on. Agreed. You might have heard about that. So, one day fine morning, Guru called Uddalakan, called Aruni, come here. What was yesterday's food? So they used to call the Guru's wife as mother. What? Mother. So yesterday mother has given a packet of food. I went to the forest with the cow and I ate that and came back. Yes. She called the wife and told, don't give food today. Aruni, go with the cow. So the cows went to the forest and Aruni were following the cows and came back in the evening. Then Guruji asked her, what you had in the lunch? So Guruji, the calf were eating this milk from the cow, and that what will come from this side? Palu. Palu. Not palu, fow. See, cow, while eating the milk, something will come from their mouth. Gallu. You understand? So I was eating that, Guruji, no, listen me. No, it is not for you. This fungus, atoms have to grow in that. You should not take that. He stopped the eating of milk from this cow's breast. Next day also, cows went on the forest. Aruni followed the cows and came back in the evening. So Guruji called, Aruni, come here. What you have taken? Swamiji, I have taken some herbs, root, some leaves like that. That is not for you. That is for Tiryak. Tiryak means Jiva Jandu. Understand? Creatures. So what to do? The next day, what happens? The cows came back and Aruni didn't come. Then what happens? See, on that time there were no torch or electricity, nothing like that. They will take some leaves of this coconut tree, something like that, and then fire that. That is in our language, it is pandam. It is what you say in Telugu? Kagada. So Guruji called other students and went to the forest, and he was calling Aruni like that. Then in the forest there were an old well. Old well. Kave. There were no water but snake, so many the creatures. It is dark, and the Aruni were in this well, and he was chanting the mantra, Guruve, 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 Guruve. Then Guru asked her, Aruni, what happened? No, Guruji, I was so hungry, so I took some leaves from these small trees. Some of this, what do you say? If we take some leaves, some out of that, there will be something. The tree, we pluck some leaf, there will be some liquid in that. That fell on my eye and I lost my eyesight. So I was not able to recognize the well, and I went in the jump inside the well. I am inside the well, Guruji. Oh, what happens? So, and also, what do you want? I am hungry. Oh, then you do one thing. You have to get the eyesight back. You pray for Ashwini Devas. Who were Ashwini Devas? They were the doctors of Devalokam. So he was praying for in the midnight. He was hungry. So he was praying. How will be his mind? What will be his mind on that time? The deep involvement of the mind. With the deep involvement of the mind, concentration of the mind, he was praying for the Ashwini Devas, and they appeared. They asked her, Aruni, what do you want? I am hungry. Oh, they have given food. Then I cannot see this. they have given eyesight. Then even then he was not eating that. Understand? Then Guruji asked, why you are not taking this? No Guruji, without offer my Guru I cannot take the food. Then Udalayan said, when I had an example, the experiment or example like this, my Guru tested me like this. You are hungry. Why you are eating your pencil? Then because of the deep hunger, Uddalaga, without offering Guru, he took the food. What happens? Uddalagan's tooth become only iron. Am I taking more time? Huh? And you are going to get golden teeth. Why? He offered first for his Guru, and the entire world, they will remember you as the students, education time. How this Uddalaga, Aruni got this golden teeth? Because of his Guru Bhakti and his attention. If you don't see, somebody says, today you don't take food, the next day also no food, what will happen? We will go back to the house. But whatever may be the hardship, the troubles, the problems we have an aim, but to attain knowledge. Agreed? Arrow, Mr. Bhima, what are you doing? You cannot understand me. So, it is a golden age of our life, the student's life. So, listen properly. Okay. Don't think more importance for eating more, having costly dress, or that Sukha Bhogas. Okay. The only aim is to attain knowledge and acquire mark, score mark maximum and become. You are going to become teacher, collector, IAS, IPS, what? Doctor, yourself. Dancer. IAS. Very good. What are you? Whatever you are? Farmer. Very good. Then what about you? Army. Very good. Army. Huh? Beeman. 24 hours eating. What about you? See, we must have a goal. I want to become like this, I want to become like this. So, irrespective of either it will be winter or summer, whatever it may be, I will get up earlier and I will take food in proper time and I will finish most of my homework, every work, and I will score the maximum mark in our class. Agreed? Agreed? So, what is required? Shraddhavan labhate jnanam. Agreed? So, how proper Shraddha, you can attain whatever you want. Agreed?
మరిన్ని అప్డేట్స్ కోసం STV యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి.